what is the readability of your technical document? It is important that what you write must be read by others and understood well. So for this purpose, to measure the degree to which a document fits the audience, they developed a number of readability indexes. So here are some of the better known readability indexes. Automated Readability Index, ARI, Flesch-Kincaid Grade Level, Gunning-Fogg Score, Coleman-Liu Index, Linzier-Wright Readability Formula, SMOC Index, SPASH Score, Newdale-Chal Score, the Fry Readability Graph, the Rago Readability Estimate, on and on. There are quite a few of them. And as you can see, some of them which I can't even pronounce their titles properly. So you can search for these indexes and read more about them. And most of them measure the level of education a typical reader would need to understand your text, like a 7th grade or 12th grade, etc. So higher the grade score, more difficult is your text, and it means more education the readers must have to understand it. And some others like Fry and Rago readability graphs display not only the overall readability level of a text, but also the beginning, middle, and end of the text. That way, you can understand how difficulty level varies throughout the text. So the best way to understand how these indexes work is to see them in action. So here's a list of practical hands-on tools you can use to measure the readability level of your essays, research papers, or any type of writing assignment. I would highly recommend it. But one warning, please back up your text before using these online services and proceed, please, at your own risk with caution. And some of them, which you can Google, are Readability Test Tool, Automated Readability Index Calculator, Measure Test Readability, Test Document Readability, Readability Analyzer, Perry-Marshall Readability Analyzer, SMOG, S-M-O-G Grade Tester, Microsoft Test Readability Tester, and AnalyzeMyWriting.com. So I wish you well with your technical documents and all other texts. Just make sure you check them out with one of these readability tools to make sure they are appropriate for your intended audience. Take good care, and I see you in another video.